first step is you're going to want to cut your labyrinth pattern so that it fits onto the canvas board that you have. So for this one, I have a little bit of extra room, so I'm just gonna cut around the pattern. So that way I can glue it onto my canvas board. And I'm just using a regular glue stick, but you also can use Mod Podge or different types of things, whatever you feel comfortable with. And I'm making sure when I'm putting it down that it's facing the angle that I want it. The starting point at the bottom. And smoothing it down so that way there's not any wrinkles on my page. And you can always check too to see if there's any areas that are not well glued. Kind of just add a little bit more. But it's glued down to the surface. Then you want to use fabric glue to be able to kind of trace along the black line of your labyrinth. Now this is what's going to be the raised edge, so that way when you're done you'll be able to kind of feel this raised design when you're using your labyrinth. With fabric glue, sometimes there can be some different pressure points. So it's important to kind of just test it out on a piece of paper to see how well it comes out. So I tend to go slow because it can be sometimes difficult to get an even layer. It's also important to start at the center and then work your way out. So that way your hands are not getting in the way and leaving imprints.